To take ownership of a Linux file, which of the commands should we use? Let's try to rule out some of the bad ones and then find the right one. So, we have a Linux file. We need to change the ownership. Okay, let's look at these. Well, I see password or passwd, and the passwd Linux command is actually just going to change a user's password. So it has nothing to do with file ownership, so that one's out of here. Now we have pwd, cho mod, or cho own. Let's look at pwd. PWD, it's a bit different from the rest of these. You can't really make out what it is. You can think of it more as like an acronym. PWD stands for Present Working Directory. That's what that means. So if you do the present working directory command, or PWD, you're just going to get the present working directory. You're only going to be able to see where you currently are. It's nothing to do with ownership either. So we then have change mod and then change own. And you can probably guess which one it is, but the change mod changes a file's permissions. Think of it as you're modifying the actual file permissions. Modify. I think it's like people say cho mod. I think that's how it's pronounced. I'm not 100% sure. So the last thing we have is change ownership, or ch own. Chone? I really don't know. But change ownership. And this is going to change a file's permission. So to take ownership of a Linux file, the command that you should use is chown, shown, change ownership.